Hello and welcome to new video by Typical Coders. In this video I am going to show you how you can create an engaging video using videocreate.com for free. Using this video website you can create best videos like video intro, video ads, social media, branding and product video ads for your video marketing campaign. Let's try this. So, firstly, click on Make a Video. Here I am already logged in with a free plan. You guys need to sign up for a free plan to start. So here you need to search whatever you need like video ad. Let's choose this laptop ad for an instance. Watch the video ad first so that you will know if it's best for your video marketing campaign. Then, you need to select if you want it in a landscape video format or portrait. And then click Use this template. Here on the editor screen you can easily edit anything you want. You can change the image easily by just double-clicking on it. Also, you can edit the text by double-clicking on it. You can also add your company logo by just click on Add a Logo option. After editing everything, you need to click on Export button. In the free plan it only offers 720p quality, which is enough I think. But if you need it in higher video quality, you need to upgrade your plan. Click on Export to get your video MP4 file and that's it. You have now able to create an engaging video marketing ad for your campaign. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Hit like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.